In this video, I'm going to be creating a holiday snowflake tray in our Crystal Edge Vanity tray mold that's rectangular in shape and has sparkling crystal edges. I'm using some Shimmer Pearl Mica by Slice of the Moon. I wanted my edges to have a little bit of a brighter sparkle because I'm going to be using a dark green color for the back. And I started off putting the mica on with a little makeup brush, which wasn't going very fast. I really don't like coloring in crystal edges because it's very hard to do because they're uneven. So I ended up just taking a makeup sponge, the corner of it, and just started going around the edges. You can't really see because it's such a fine whitish, silverish, I guess it's more silver than white. But I did the whole bottom, I'm doing the sides, and I have the piece of paper there to prevent me from getting any mica on my center shiny part. And I'm going to speed it up here just so you don't have to cry yourselves to sleep watching me do that all around 4 edges. There I've done 3 sides and I'm just going to turn it around so I can see better. And again, just positioning the white paper on the glossy front so it doesn't get mica on it. And I'm just dipping it in the powder and just kind of pushing it down into the crystal edges. It's never going to be perfect because they're all, naturally formed and uneven. But I figured it might give it a little bit of a lift without having too much glitter in it. Once I've done that, I mixed up 4 ounces of JDiction high gloss resin, which is just a regular 1-to-1 resin, nothing special about it. It's just a good resin for blooms and for doing trays like this. I probably could have used about 3.75 ounces, but I'm just trying to fill up that center rectangular area there where I'm going to put my snowflakes. And just kind of poking it with a silicone pen into the corners. I have that on a leveling table, but resin likes to go to one side or the other anyway. And I found these gorgeous little snowflakes. I have them in silver and gold in our shop, and 2 of them fit perfectly in this mold, and 3 will actually fit in our Stone Edge vanity tray mold. So I just lay them down on top of the resin. These silver ones have a little bit more glitter than the gold ones do, so they do sparkle. And they tended to move a little bit, so I'm just using the silicone pen to reposition them. You just leave that till the next day to set up. Then I'm using Twinkling Forest and Mystic Forest from Funshine Color Shop. These are 2 beautiful greens. She doesn't sell the Twinkling Forest anymore. I think the other one is a smaller particle size. And I had to use quite a lot of this to get it this green. I even had to add 2 scoops, bigger scoops of my blackish silverish mica just to get it a dark enough color. This one just didn't seem to color the resin that much, although the finished color there looks pretty nice. And I mixed up 14 ounces. I probably could have gone 15 or 16. There was a little bit more room in the mold, but this was enough to finish the tray off. So it's pretty easy. Painted the crystal edges, put down the clear resin, put in the inclusions, waited till it dries, and poured the back. And there I'm just tapping the edges, hopefully to preclude any air bubbles getting in. And then the next day, it's done already. Just demolding it. And this tray is a little bit big, so I do turn it upside down here to demold it because those crystal edges are a little sharp. And voila! That Shimmer Pearl Mica did give it like a flocking look, which I really like. I don't know what sparkles more, the included snowflakes or those crystal edges. Our Crystal Edge tray mold made a unique and beautiful tray for the holidays.